Hello, in this video we're going to look at another progress update in this development journey. And as I mentioned in the previous video, I've worked on a number of features over the last few weeks. So the one I showed in the previous video was for the chat system. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show the party system that I was looking at as well. So as you can see, I've created a new widget for the party, and I'm able to give my party a name. So by default, it'll just be called new party. And this name doesn't have to be unique or anything. You can just name it as you like for whatever you're doing. So when I go ahead and create the party, it puts me into that party and I will be the admin for that party. I can obviously leave it as well, and maybe I can create a new party which is going to be, for killing bears or something, right? So that's my player one here. So I don't have the sort of on right click event listeners or anything like that for now. So I've shown in the previous one the chat system, so I'm able to see the player names here. So that's what I'm going to use to effectively extract the player name for now. So I'm obviously going to have some nameplates available soon as well. Perhaps maybe that'll be my next feature. But I can see that here I want to be inviting test 2. So when I go ahead and click that, this player gets the invite, and when I click accept, you can see then now in the party. So there's the name for the party as well, and this player cannot actually kick anyone out, so you'll get these validation errors whenever you're trying to kick someone out of the party if you're not an admin, but you can still leave the party, right? So I'll go ahead and bring them back in. And you can see that in the party invite as well, I get the party name visible as well. Okay, so the admin can also make other members admins as well. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do here. And you can't have both players as members, right? So you need to have at least one admin. So I've added all of these little validations in my Java server for the game. So I think that's mostly it for the party system for now. This is still going to be work in progress. So for example, I don't have the XP sharing system or the item sharing system implemented yet, but this provides me the interface to do that, right? So now essentially in my cache system, I have this party information available so that, for example, whenever I kill a bear, I'm able to effectively look up the player which killed the bear, and I can find if they are in a party, and if they are, then I'm going to provide XP to all of the nearby players in that party. And I've not really decided what to do with the item sharing at this point, but I'll probably make maybe one or two systems. Perhaps I'll be able to toggle the different item loot systems in the party window as well. So for example, maybe I provide the items sequentially or randomly to the players. So I haven't determined that just yet. Another thing to sort of mention, but it's a bit of a technical detail. So whenever I send the invite to other players, I actually check to see whether they are on the same Java node. And if they're not, I'll basically need to contact another Java node to send that party invite. So for that, I've actually included gRPC communications. So since I've done that, I might potentially even modify the Kafka comms that I currently have. But I'll probably cover that in the future. Maybe for the MVP, the Kafka will be fine. But specifically for this party invite, I didn't want to sort of broadcast the message to all of the nodes available. I wanted to find a specific node which hosts the character that I'm playing with. So that's why I introduced the gRPC, because I'll probably need to add that eventually. So and that sort of made the party implementation a bit more challenging in the back end, right? But it's fully working now, which is great. So I think that's it for this video. So plenty of more features to come soon. But yeah, thanks and see you next time. Bye.